XFO, EXFO, X-ray Foxtrot Oscar clarifies situation about recent unsolicited non-binding proposal made by Viavi Solutions. Says after careful consideration with the assistance of its independent legal advisors and acting on unanimous recommendation, a special committee to clarify the situation for shareholders. Says consistent with its fiduciary duties, XFO's board of directors with Mr. Germain Lamont and Mr. Philip Morin having recused themselves from the meeting, reviewed and diligently considered the proposal from Mr. Lamont. Says XFO's board of directors concluded that it will not pursue the proposal as it is not capable of being completed and therefore is not a superior proposal. That's Echo X-ray Foxtrot Oscar. AeroVironment, AVAV. AeroVironment receives Puma 3 AE and Raven unmanned aircraft system orders totaling $15.9 million from U.S. Air Force. That's Alpha Victor, Alpha Victor. Old Republic International, ORI, reported 73 cents in earnings. The estimate was 53 cents for Oscar Romeo India. SL Green, SLG, sold 49% interest in 220 East 42nd Street for a gross consideration of $790.1 million. That's Sandy Lima Golf, SLG. Boxlight, BOXL, Bravo Oscar X-Ray Lima, San Vicente de Paul School implements Clever Touch interactive displays. That's Bravo Oscar X-Ray Lima. Boxlight. WTER, Whiskey Tango Echo Romeo. Alkaline Water Company, Alkaline 88's growth accelerates into first quarter of 2022. That's Whiskey Tango Echo Romeo. ADMS, Adamas announcing issuance of new patents for GoCovery and ADS 4101, Alpha Delta Michael Sandy. Shares of Adamas getting a pop here to the high $5.29. GeoVax, GeoVX, shares getting a pop to the high $5.26. Company announced presentation of Sudan Ebola virus vaccine data at American Society for Virology annual meeting. That's Golf Oscar Victor X-Ray, GeoVX.
Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. So as you can see, our top gainers, IGC, Nuro, and that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna put Nuro up here, and I'm gonna leave this with some other stuff I'm watching.
LEXX Biotechnology, LEXT. LEXX Biotechnology comments on report that its PP2A inhibitor LB100 combined with another investigational agent
TSLA
stimulates bone growth in models of dwarfism.
Nothing. So I'm gonna put Microsoft because I'm watching Microsoft. All right, so IGC and Nuro are the top watches that we're gonna be.
It says in clinical trials, the biomarron
looking
compound
at
alone was beneficial, but the fact that the
got 3
addition
minutes here,
of the
a little bit late.
LB100 enhanced the activity of those
So IGC
models of ACH led the authors to conclude that their
some
study
here.
provides a proof of concept that a phosphatase inhibitor may be beneficial addition to therapy with vosoritide. That's Lima, India, X-ray Tango.
425.
First Energy, FE, reaches agreement to resolve DOJ investigation. Under the 3-year deferred prosecution agreement, First Energy has agreed to pay a penalty of $230 million.
450 is going to be target on IGC.
To the government's filing
of
a single charge of conspiracy to commit honest services wire fraud. The charge will be dismissed provided First Energy abides by all terms of the agreement. The payment of the $230 million fine will be split equally between the U.S. Treasury and Ohio Development Services Agency for the benefit of Ohio utility customers. That's Foxtrot Echo.
All right. 450. If 450 breaks, we do have room all the way to 676 to 744 on IGC. Right? So it does have room to run. So if we get lots of volume, we have room to run to IGC. There are the targets right there. Remember, take your profits. Every whole dollar is going to be natural resistance. So make sure if you're up, you take some profits. And then Nuro is like, I think, making, 52 new highs. It's just making new highs every day. So Nuro, you're just going to have to take it. And scalp every 25 cents on that one. There's no levels to look back at. So after this, when Euro goes back down and it runs again, then we'll have some levels to look back at. But that's basically it. That's what I'm looking at. And then I'm also looking at some option plays as well. But the top two is what you're going to be looking at, Nuro and IGC. So let's get ready.
CODX, Co-Diagnostics. CODX strengthens intellectual property portfolio with new international co-primer patent, Charlie Oscar Delta X-ray. PAVmed, PAVmed subsidiary, Lucid Diagnostics, launches strategic partnership with direct-to-consumer telemedicine company Upscript Health. That's Papa Alpha Victor Michael. Grubhub announcing first major sports partnership with CONCACAF for 2021 Gold Cup. That's Golf Romeo Uniform Bravo, GRUB. MSC halted on a circuit breaker. Studio City International Holdings, MSC, Michael Sandy Charlie, halted on a circuit breaker at the highs, $15.28. Neurometrics halted on a circuit breaker. November Uniform Romeo Oscar halted on the way down at 32.60. Summit Wireless, WISA, $5.33 now, moving higher on volume. Company announcing earlier that new Amazon store. That's Whiskey India Sandy Alpha.
A lot of stocks popping up right now. Nvda and Microsoft, very, very well. Also Snow, doing well. Zoom, also moving up. SE.
Studio City MSC resuming, hitting $17.60 at the high. Michael Sandy Charlie, and halted again on a circuit breaker. That's Michael Sandy Charlie. T2 Biosystems, TTO, T2 Bio, offering the only FDA-cleared non-culture-based diagnostic panels that provide species ID in 3 to 5 hours direct from whole blood, often before the second dose of ABX is administered. That's some tweet from the company now. That's Tango Tango Oscar Oscar, T2 Biosystems. Pain reform shares resume trading. Prfx popping here, $5.53, up 76%. Top Romeo Foxtrot X-ray traded as high as $8.50 in the pre-market. Coming up at 10 a.m., existing home sales for June, 5.9 million expected. U.S. leading index for June, plus 0.9% expected. EU consumer confidence for July, minus 2.5 expected. First Energy, a statement now regarding its settlement with the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of Ohio. First Energy says First Energy used 501c4 corporate form as a mechanism to conceal payments for the benefit of public officials and in return for official action. That's Foxtrot Echo. CAE, Charlie Alpha Echo. Shares trading off the highs now up about 6%. That's Charlie Alpha Echo. Shares stock added to the S&P TSX 60 index. That's Charlie Alpha Echo. Shares now up about 6% for Charlie Alpha Echo. LEXX Clorox shares spiking here. Clorox 179.67. Hearing mention of some activist talk by an M&A blog. Share is now 179.66, up about 82 cents for Clorox, Charlie Lima X-Ray, CLX. WIT, Whiskey India Tango, Wipro launches Field X after sales and service solution on ServiceNow. That's Whiskey India Tango. Clorox, again, that activist talk. Hearing that's coming from Deal Reporter. That's Charlie Lima X-Ray. Shares now around $180 on CLX. Jan 1 selects CPC Clinical Research as trial manager for Phase 2B study of Jan 101 for peripheral artery disease patients due lead out for November, JAN. GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, Brian McNamara appointed CEO designate of new independent consumer healthcare company. That's Gulf Sandy Kilo. Vislink, VISL, Victor India Sandy Lima. Vislink says new Vislink 2021 products surpass $6 million in initial sales. That's VISL, Victor India Sandy Lima. Support.com, shares getting a pop to the high, $5.50, Sandy Papa Romeo Tango. Red Hill, RDHL, Red Hill settles Movantic Apotex patent litigation. Apotex may not sell a generic version of Movantic in the U.S. until October 1st, 2030, subject to FDA approval or earlier under certain circumstances. That's Romeo Delta Hotel Lima. Press release. Support.com, SPRT, Seeking Alpha article giving it a $20 price target. That's Sandy Papa Romeo Tango. Just 18 followers for that article writer on SPRT. MSC, Michael Sandy Charlie, Studio City, resuming trade now, hit a high of 24.41, now at 21.05. Michael Sandy Charlie. Studio City shares halted again on a circuit breaker, Michael Sandy Charlie.
Watch IPA here, above $8.
Coming up, existing home sales for June expecting 5.9 million. U.S. leading index for June expecting plus 0.9%. EU consumer confidence also coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Summit Wireless shares continue to make new highs. $6.44, up 55% for Whiskey India Sandy Alpha. Cuen Quintus shares resume trading after a circuit breaker halt, now at $4.23, down from the earlier highs, around $5 intraday. DBGI, Digital Brands Group, spiking here on volume. Delta Bravo Golf India, DBGI. Seritage Holdings, SNTG. Shares dropping here on some volume, Sandy November Tango Golf. Energus, WATT, filed a application for a U.S. patent systems and methods for machine learning based foreign object detection for wireless power. That's Whiskey Alpha Tango Tango. Existing home sales 5.86 million, below the 5.9 million estimate, plus 1.4%. EU consumer confidence down 4.4, more than the minus 2.5 that was expected. Leading index plus 0.7%. The estimate was plus 0.9%. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, J&J, EMA says COVID-19 vaccine, Janssen, Guillain-Barré syndrome listed as very rare side effect. European Medicines Agency confirms that benefits of COVID-19 vaccine Janssen continue to outweigh the risks of the vaccine. That's Juliet, November, Juliet. Moderna, mRNA. EMA says no association has been identified between GBS and COVID-19 vaccines. Comirnaty and Spikevax, previously COVID-19 vaccine Moderna. That's Michael Romeo November Alpha. Renewable Energy Group, REGI, Romeo Echo Golf India. Manchester United teaming up with Renewable Energy Group to create a more sustainable future. That's Romeo Echo Golf India, Michael Alpha November Uniform.
Watching IGC here for a reversal.
Fuel Cell Energy, FCEL, Fuel Cell Energy, files for U.S. patent, carbon dioxide capturing steam methane reformer. That's Foxtrot Charlie Echo Lima, FCEL.
IPA here. There's a great bounce.
Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage, 44 BCF build is expected. Support.com, SPRT, the August $6 calls active now, Sandy Papa Romeo Tango, SPRT. SNTG halted on a circuit breaker. Sandy November Tango Golf halted on a circuit breaker. $28.21. Summit Wireless, WISA, Summit Wireless CEO Brett Mayer to appear on Benzinga's Power Hour show at 12:15 p.m. Eastern Time. That's Whiskey India Sandy Alpha. Share is moving back towards the highs now, $6.90, hitting the high, matching the intraday high on Summit Wireless after the company announcing that Amazon store. That's Whiskey India Sandy Alpha. And now hitting $7 at the high. SPRT support.com hitting new highs now. 635 Sandy Papa Romeo Tango on heavy volume. So the call activity shares hitting new highs. $6.35 up 27% for support.com. Sandy Papa Romeo Tango.
IPA holding really good support here on the 745, 750 area.
Centage, SNTG resuming trade, continuing lower 25.21, the low now
WISA, this
on
was really well too.
Centage, and halted again on a circuit breaker. That's Sandy November Tango Golf. Coming up in less than 10 minutes at 10:30, natural gas storage, a build of 44 BCF expected. Sorrento Therapeutics, SRNE, company filing for patent application, compositions and methods comprising an anti-CD47 antibody in combination with a tumor-targeting antibody, that's Sandy Romeo November Echo, SRNE. MSC halted on another circuit breaker, Michael Sandy Charlie. Studio City, $13.98. Churchill Capital 4 to adjourn and reconvene special meeting of shareholders to Friday, July 23rd, to allow shareholders to more time to vote on one remaining required proposal for the business combination with Lucid Motors. That's Charlie Charlie India Victor, CCIV. Shares of Churchill Capital ticking lower here, 2358. That's Charlie Charlie India Victor. Centage, SNTG, resumes trading after a circuit breaker halt. Sandy November Tango Golf dropping to the lows, 2250. MSC Studio City resuming trade after a circuit breaker halt. BMRA, Biomerica, BMRA getting a pop here on volume. Bravo Michael Romeo Alpha, BMRA. Biden administration to announce on Thursday it is directing $1.6 billion for COVID testing in high-risk settings. That from NBC News. Shares of Co-Diagnostics getting a pop here, $9.15. Charlie Oscar Delta X-ray. Coming up, natural gas storage. A build of 44 BCF is the consensus. A build of 49 BCF wider, more than the 44 BCF build expected for natural gas. Natural gas futures are dropping here now, $3.91. USAU, Uniform Sandy Alpha Uniform. U.S. Gold Corp adds Vice President Exploration provides update on pre-feasibility study release timing. That's USAU, Uniform Sandy Alpha Uniform. SAVA, Cassava Sciences, Sandy Alpha Victor Alpha. Shares are hitting new highs now, 122.94. Business Insider says JP Morgan to give wealth management clients access to crypto funds. Julia Papa Michael. ALSK, Aapl Lima Sandy Kilo, getting a pop here on volume. Alaska Communications, big spike in volume for ALSK. CrowdStrike CRWD, shares spiking to new highs of 4%. Traders circulating word that the stock was added to the Investors Business Daily Leaderboard. That's Charlie Romeo Whiskey Delta. Volta Charging and Streetlight announced strategic partnership. That's VLTA and SNPR. Couchbase BASE IPO priced at $24, indicating $32. That's Bravo Alpha Sandy Echo. Zenvia ZENV IPO priced at $13, indicating $11. That's Zulu Echo November Victor. ABSI ABSI IPO priced at $16, indicating $25 now. That's Alpha Bravo Zulu, Alpha Bravo Sandy India. Zevia ZVIA IPO priced at $14, indicating $12 to $14. That's Zulu Victor India Alpha. Ryan Specialty Group RYAN priced at $23.50, indicating $24.50 to $25.50. That's Romeo Yankee Alpha November. INST and Structure Holdings priced at $20, indicating $21 to $23. Cadence extends digital design leadership with revolutionary ML-based Cerebrus, delivering best-in-class productivity and quality of results. Press release, Charlie Delta, November, Sandy.
Oh, this IP really taking off here.
TYME, Time Inc., Tango Yankee Michael Echo, files for U.S. patent compositions and methods for modulating cancer. That's Tango Yankee Michael Echo.
Hey Jeremy, good morning, man. How you doing? AHR road to
BRAY, W-Ray Technologies,
sweet, man.
U.S. patent, radiation therapy systems and methods, Victor Romeo Alpha Yankee.
That's awesome, bro. Body bag of NMT, M18. Take a look at it, man. There's one that I'm looking at also, TIRX. Very, very oversold. I'm picking up some shares here with a only giving it a small stop loss here. Let's look at MM18. Yeah, man, this was looking not too shabby.
The EMA earlier said that
I don't know how much it went in, but never go in on the way up. Always wait for a dip. Yeah, it looks like a reversal kind of happened. 271. Yeah, we get back to these levels. I'm gonna grab some. I'm gonna look into it. So I'm gonna do some due diligence on it.
UPS, Uniform Papa Sandy, Business Insider, reporting that UPS is testing same-day delivery. That's Uniform Papa Sandy.
Yeah, below 200 EMA. Red candle. Let's look at that 8 EHR. Yeah, remember I told you that doji candle right here? Sweet, man. Jeez. Yep, that doji candle right there, and then you got the splat bottom. Sweet, man. Great play. You mentioned, which was the one you mentioned? Look at it later.
Reuters reporting that the U.S. is expected to announce sanctions as soon as Thursday on several
here on my watch
officials over the crackdown on protests. According to Reuters, that's from Reuters.
Yeah, remember I told you about that? I have so many things watching. I totally forgot about it. But yeah, man, that worked out perfectly. Good for you, man. That's awesome.
Moxie and MOXC getting a pop here on volume. Michael Oscar X-Ray Charlie.
Jeremy, give me 1 second, man. Okay. HR. Yeah, it's not looking good right now, man. We're forming another doji candle, but the problem is that it's red.
Highs of the day now, AAPL.
Below 200,
Now
below
Papa
EMA. Yeah, this
Lima.
thing's just getting shorted. If we were to break this downtrend, watch the 4 hour. We can get a green candle above this downtrend right here, above $8 on the 4 hour. Then yeah, we have room to run to about 986. That's why I had my next level, and that's all I have for now. So I'm near $10. But this red right here not looking good. We could have the same. We could have the same problem we had here. We have this, and then we just kind of
CB Chubb expands. Chubb CB Chubb expands domestic general aviation and non-major aerospace business. Canada, Charlie Bravo. SAVA, Cassava Sciences, and one other move today up 6.5%. Shares at the highs 125.53.
And then you brought up CEMI. No, CEMI is not a buy. Not right now. Below 200. Yeah. Look at that candle on the 4 hour. Don't like it. If we form a green candle, we hold the support, and we start forming a green candle on the 4 hour, then yeah, we could see some upside. But right now, I will stay away from it. Probably we break above this 560, 570 area, we can start with momentum. But right now, I will stay away. Look at the 4 hour candles. I feel like this is a little bit too crowded. What do you think, Jeremy? Can you see the charts well like this, or do I rather put just 4 charts for the main thing? Look at IGC. Has this around $3.
BMBL, Bumble, BMBL, Bravo Michael Bravo Lima, shares popping here on volume. A pick at Motley Fool, Rule Breakers pick at Motley Fool, that's Bravo Michael Bravo Lima. Shares hitting a high of 52.71, now 51.05.
Which one do you prefer, the 4 charts or the 6 chart? This IPA, man, been ripping all morning.
At Home, HOME, to open 3 new stores in July. Hotel Oscar Michael Echo. U.S. CDC director says 7-day average of new COVID cases of 53%. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, U.S. CDC work group says even with reports of rare neurological disorder, GBS after J&J vaccine, that's really in part the benefits of the vaccination continue to outweigh the risks. That in presentations from the CDC work group reported by Reuters now. J&J, Johnson.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on it, see if it gets a reversal.
Shares near the highs, 170.74 on J&J. Up about 0.75% today. Juliet, November, Juliet.
IGC. Oh, I thought it was Jeremy speaking. Coach. Hey man, welcome to the channel. Yeah, IGC is bearish right now. You could see that it's getting shorted quite well here. We do have some support right there at 298. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. Not looking too good right now. We need to get above this area right here, 380. I wanted a 385 breakout here. That's what I wanted to play. Didn't help. Yeah, hey man, thank you for coming in to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and you could give us a like and subscribe so you could see our charts, levels and resistance pre-market. I put them up. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna start putting them up earlier, so anybody that trades pre-market, I might start putting them in since 6 or 7 a.m. so you guys can look at. If I would have put them since early this morning, you could have followed this trend. Look at this. All right, and right here we finally broke down. But IP also, I put it up around right here once it hit the scanners. Actually, no, it was around right here. At this dip right here, and it's been ripping. So subscribe if you guys are here for the first time. Give us a subscribe so you can tune in. Click that notification bell so you can tune in. But yeah, IGC, man, let's keep an eye on that. See if we can get some reversal. Has a lot of volume, 219 million in volume, so a lot of volume. Lisa did good too. I just broke to the downside, so not good. Yeah, does have a lot of volume, but at this time it is everything. As a matter of fact, everything in the market is pulling back. Even the large cap, the blue chips that I'm watching, that I'm trading options on, everything's kind of pulling back right now. IPA is the only one going up. It's beastie. And this one's increasing in volume rapidly. Look at that. Let's see if we can hold 280 support. Start reversing.
CDC's Walensky said some hospitals are reaching their capacity in some areas of the U.S. amid surging coronavirus cases.
We had a reversal signal here, but it just couldn't get going. It couldn't break this resistance.
Amino precise antibody shares halted at the highs, $12.48 on.
In order for us to move to the upside, we need to get above this cloud right here. Up to 48. Is this halted? FBA halted.
Senator Joe Manchin says infrastructure deal is 99% done. Delay of Trump Medicare rebate rule is in as a pay-for. Transit dollars still being worked on. That's coming from Bloomberg reporter Eric Lawson. Stride, Lima Romeo November, popping here. Hearing Betaville says the company has received a $41 per share takeover bid. That's Lima Romeo November, LRN. Shares getting a pop on that news circulating now. Lima Romeo November. LRN spiking to the highs now. Stride 33.22. That's Lima Romeo November. Again, Betaville says the company has received a $41 per share takeover bid. Lima Romeo November. White House's Zaints says 1 in 5 all U.S. coronavirus cases.
IPA here. New high 1430 after halt.
IPA, immunoprecise antibodies, IPA, popping to the highs after resuming 1430. And looks like halted again on a circuit breaker. Now up 155%. That's India Papa Alpha.
Anybody else have a question? The only thing running right now is IPA. Halted again. 1430. Yeah, IGC. Not looking good, man. Yeah, you could see here, we crossed over to the downside. Tried to come up again, got rejected, got shorted. Tried again. Not good. It's always better to get out and then look for another opportunity rather than just
IPA resuming.
right into down. IPA.
Amino precise antibodies hitting a high of 1567, now pulling back to 1295, and again halted on a circuit breaker. That's India Papa Alpha, halted again on the way down now, $12.95.
Yeah, this one's been crazy, man. We caught this one on the scanners here this morning.
Sigmatron, Sandy Golf Michael Alpha. Sigmatron reporting earnings of 36 cents, revenue of 64.8 million. That's Sandy Golf Michael Alpha. Sigmatron, after they report shares popping $5.55, halted on a circuit breaker. Sandy Golf Michael Alpha. BCRX, BioCris, Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray. BioCris files for U.S. patent, substituted benzofuran, benzopyrrole, benzothiopine, and structurally related complement inhibitors. That's Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray. BCRX shares of BioCris popping to the high 1706, up about 2.75% now. BCRX, Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray.
What are you looking at, Jeremy? Oh, AHR. Okay. Awesome.
Sigmatron shares resumed trading off the highs, $5.42, getting a pop following their earnings release. Sandy Golf, Michael Alpha. Virgin Galactic, SPCE, CNBC reporting Virgin Galactic Flight Test Director Mark Stuckey, who led first space flight departure from the company. Sandy Papa, Charlie Echo.
SPCE. Pulled down to 31 today. Got shorted.
CDC Director Walensky says masking guidance has not changed. Ryan Specialty Group, RYIN, shares opening at 23.05, priced at 23.50. Romeo Yankee Alpha.
Let's put it here real quick. Oh, I see what you're looking at. Jeremy? Yeah. So we broke out right here.
AHR shares moving again now. $8.05.
We're breaking through market high. Yeah.
AHR Test Systems up about 0.75%.
827 target. IPA held at $12 support there. Currently trading between 13 13.50. A lot of volume. IGC, I'm gonna keep an eye on this one because this one has tons of volume. This is probably gonna get shorted to probably the rest of the day, and then come too close, it's gonna squeeze. More shorts you're gonna have to cover because it's just going. If it just goes sideways, it's gonna.
Support.com SPRT, highs of the day now. Sandy Papa Romeo Tango. PSTH, Pershing Square Tontine, January 32.5, January 22.5 call sweep. Shares ticking higher here. That's Papa Sandy Tango Hotel, PSTH. USHHS says funding to support expanded COVID-19 testing and mitigation measures for federal, state, and local prison populations.
Oh, we almost hit that target of 827, 824, and went down.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
AA chart needs to hold that pre-market high
AAPL,
here.
Apple, the September 155 pull sweep on Alpha Papa Lima. AAPL company reporting their earnings after the close on July 27th. That's Alpha Papa Lima, Aapl.
No, I live in the United States.
in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
IGC still holding that 280 support there. I'm gonna go ahead and put an alert here just in case I'm not looking.
SPRT, support.com, September $9 calls now on Sandy Papa Romeo Tango. SPRT.
On this one.
Zevia, ZVIA, opening at $12.50, priced at $14. Zulu Victor India Alpha. Earlier in Structure Holdings, opened at $23.05, priced at $20. India November Sandy Tango. InMuneBio, INMB, acquires Lumix Z Movie Cell Avidity Analyzer to accelerate the development of its NK cell platform for cancer treatments. That's INMB, India November Michael Bravo. UPS, Uniform Papa Sandy, UPS, seeing that the UPS website, ups.com, is down. Reports for many DNS failure on ups.com. Also, FedEx.com is down as well. Foxtrot Delta X-Ray.
Hey Jeremy, thanks for tuning in, man. Give us a like. Don't forget to give us a like. Thanks for tuning in. And listen, how early are you listening to the market? I might start going in pre-market. There's a lot of movement in the pre-market, and maybe you guys catch some. For example, IGC ran pre-market. I was early this morning. Which one else ran? WISA, CUEN. I mean, a couple of them ran.
Also, NavyFederal.org also down.
Snow.
Again, at least 3 websites. Also, Amazon.com. Amazon, AWS having issues now. That being reported.
Oh, you're up in the morning, man? Sweet. Listen, if we can get traders watching in the morning, I'll go live.
Multiple websites are down.
A lot of the low floats they run in the pre-market. Very, very well. I might start doing that.
FireEye shares.
I won't be
talking.
Well, I can talk, but I won't have my camera on. I'll just show the chart.
Echo Yankee Echo FireEye spiking.
I might do that.
FireEye spiking now.
See if we can get some people in here. Morning. Tomorrow's Friday, so I just kind of. Well, I mean, with all the FOMO going on, it might be a good thing. But think about that. Watch CEMI here. We got a signal and we want to cross over. I think it's above 5, might get volume. Watch it. Actually, Weeble for you. Sweet, man. Yeah, Weeble's great for pre-market.
Shares of FireEye spiking to 2076 on those reports of outages. Multiple websites, including FedEx and UPS. Also, Fidelity.com is down. Fidelity is down. CYRN, Siren, another security stock, shares popping here on that report of possible denial of service attack to several major websites. Again, FedEx, UPS, Fidelity among those affected now, and Amazon, AWS. No confirmation on the cause of these outages.
Hey, later, Jeremy. Thanks for tuning in, man. It's 11 o'clock, guys. I'm gonna be logging out. Uh, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new here for the first time, go ahead and give us a subscribe and click that notification bell so you can be notified. I might start going in early pre-market and putting up charts of what's running the pre-market. I think it'll really help. If you could get up early in the morning, they will help you understand what's going on, what's running, and the charts would be up. You'll get the signals. If you get this up arrows, there's a lot of volume and momentum coming in. Okay, that's why you get this run. So this is a system that I've built. I really don't use it, but it kind of looks for what I see in the market. So I built it around things that I look for, so you guys can see visually. So it helps a lot if you guys are new. So
Oracle Cloud Infrastructure says investigating an issue affecting the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure.
Again, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. And let's see here. Click that notification bell, subscribe, like it, and tell your friends about it. And I'll see you guys mañana. Adios.